Let's look at this problem. Study the figure S is there, where we see the dimensions on the figure and the magnitude of angle CSY degrees. At CD given as 104, DA 65.8 meters, BA is 49.7 meters. So we need to calculate length DB, magnitude of the angle Y, as well as the length of BC, this length here. Our approach will be let's take in calculating the length of DB, I want us to concentrate in triangle DBA. Let's see, DBA. In triangle DBA, I have DB squared equals DA squared plus AB squared. Why am I saying this? This is our Pythagoras. This is our powerful Pythagoras. Now therefore DB squared will be, what is DA? DA is 65.8. This value must be squared as in Pythagoras. What is AB? AB is 49.7. This value must be squared as in Pythagoras. So what is the value there on the right hand side? The value on the right hand side is 65.5 squared plus 65.5 squared plus 49.7 squared. Now this gives 6762.34. Now therefore, what is the value of dB? The value of dB will be plus minus the root of 6760.that. Now therefore, our dB will be the root of 6762.34. And that then gives 82.221 meters. It gives 82.221 meters. It is this one. It is 82.221 meters. Now we are done with number A. Number B, we need to calculate the magnitude of Y. Now in calculating the magnitude of Y, let me take this off because it's the only space that I have. At least now we know it's 82.221. I've put it there so that if we forget, we can always refer from the sketch. Now the number B, magnitude of Y angle. Magnitude of Y angle. How will we get this? We need to use the ratio. We use the ratio in triangle, in the big triangle DAC. In triangle DAC, Now is the big triangle now, DAC. In triangle DAC, we can then use the sine of angle C. Remember, angle C will be the magnitude of y. The sine of angle C as opposite over hypotenuse. What is opposite? Opposite is DA. What is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is CD. Now the sine of C will be, what is DA? DA is 65.8 over, what is CD? CD is 104. Now what is this? This is 65.8 divided by 104. This gives 0.633. Now therefore, what is C? C is arc sine 0.633. Now what is this C as an angle? C as an angle is sorry, arc sine 6.33. So this is 39.272 meters. No. Degrees rather. Is an angle, degrees. So now we are saying that 39. We are saying that angle C is this. But remember, this is same as Y. So we are then saying that this is 39.272 degrees from what we are saying. Now if we have this angle C as 39.272 degrees, then it means we can go to the last question and calculate the length of BC. Okay, let me take this off and let's go calculate the length of BC. Length BC. For length BC, we will still take triangle. We will still take the big triangle. Big triangle DAC. Now in triangle DAC, I've got CD squared, same as DA squared plus CA squared. CD squared. What is DA squared? Is 65.8 squared plus CA squared. But what is CD squared? CD squared is 104 squared. Now CA squared will therefore be, if I transpose this, I've got 104 squared minus 65.8 squared. This will be, I'm trying to get that, this will be 104 squared minus 65.8 squared. This gives 6486.36. Now therefore CA will be the root of 6486.36. What is that? The root of 6486.36 0.36. This gives 80.538. 538. Remember, this is CA. It is CA. But within CA, we've got BA. And BA is known as 49.7. We will say here, but BA equals 49.7 meters. Now, therefore, CA, not CA, therefore BC, which we are looking for, the BC will be the CA minus the BA. Now, this BC will be, what is CA? CA is 80.538. What is BA? BA is 49.7. Now, this BC will then finally be this 80.534 must subtract 49.7, and this gives 30. This gives 30.838. When 30.383. That would then be the 30. This from here to there will be 30.838. This distance there. This distance there. This distance there. So, this is your solution. And like I would always say, don't forget to like my Facebook page there. And thank you until we meet in the next problem. Thank you so much.